Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga, and I am at my happy place. This is the Little Econ Conservation Area in Oviedo, Florida, and I've been coming out here for many years. After my daughter and her husband had their home built out here, it's just been a place that I've loved to come, and I have clocked many a mile running on these trails here. So today I'm going for a walk, and there's a little short loop that's a 3/4 mile loop, and I'm hoping to do that in maybe about 25 minutes today at the pace I'm going here at 4 months post-op knee replacement. And I also just wanted to give you a little update and let you know how I'm doing at 4 months. I have to say that I'm not really loving my new knee yet. I know I'll get there, but my recovery has been at a snail's crawl, just so slow. It's been very slow getting my strength back in my quads, and it is improving though, but I'm still having difficulty doing stairs and just managing uneven surfaces. I'm walking with my cane still out here just to keep my balance a little bit. And I would say that my biggest complaint is swelling and inflammation. If I'm on my feet for half hour, 45 minutes, an hour, my knee just swells up. It gets all red and puffy and hot to the touch. And I don't know if it's just a matter of everything that they did in that surgery, from cutting the bones to hammering in the prosthetic and trying to get my leg straight after the valgus knee, or if my body's just kind of resisting that foreign object that's inside my knee, and it's just so angry. So, but everything I hear from doctors and physical therapists is this recovery with the swelling and inflammation can be at least 1 year and even up to 18 months before that swelling will be entirely gone from the knee. So I'm going to try to stay positive. And there are some positive things that I have enjoyed about my recovery. And that first one is my range of motion. It's coming along really good. I've continued doing my stretching exercises, and my flexion is great. I have an app on my phone where if I take a picture of the bend of my knee, I can measure it with this measuring tool. And it shows that I have about 140 degrees of flexion, which, to be honest, I never thought I would get there. And so I'm really excited about that. And my extension is wonderful too. I have 0 extension with a nice full straight leg. So it's just a guy ran by me there. Maybe I'll get back to that one day. I don't know. I'm jumping ahead. But so the range of motion and mobility is good. So I'm very pleased about that. And I've been able to get back to the Y and do a few fitness classes. So I'm feeling a little bit more normal. I've done some water exercise classes, and in the water with my body buoyant, I can even jog a little bit, do some jumping jacks. So that feels great. I've done a few spinning classes as well as some body pump classes for strength training. So that's always wonderful. And I'm just going to keep moving forward with that. I'm also teaching my Lisa Bug classes, both my yoga class and my mind body blend class. So 2 days a week, back to that schedule of teaching online. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know where I am today. I'm hoping I see some improvement in the next couple of weeks, because I am making a trip to England to meet my new grandson, Sydney, and I'm so excited about that. And I know that the flight is long. I'm gonna have to get up and down out of my seat, do a lot of stretching, ankle pumps, walking around to make sure my knee doesn't stiffen up on the flight. So I will let you know how it goes, and I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for following my journey. I appreciate it so much. Stay strong, those of you that are knee warriors, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.